Hi, in today's video, we'll discuss how to get money off SoFi without using a card. Watch until the end to learn how to do this and more. Here's how you can withdraw money from SoFi without a card at an ATM first. Launch your SoFi mobile application and log in. Once logged in, request ATM access or withdrawal. The ATM home screen will display a QR code, which you'll scan using your phone. Alternatively, you can get a one-time password OTP that you'll enter into the application. Confirm the transaction by authorizing the withdrawal from your phone. The ATM will then dispense the money. To withdraw money via the SoFi Money app to a bank account, follow these steps. Open your SoFi mobile app and select the Transfer button. Choose Bank Transfer and select the bank you're transferring to. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Select the next option to see how long the transfer will take, which can be up to 3 working days. Tap the Transfer button and verify the transfer details. Click to transfer and then tap Done. Wait for the money to reflect in your bank account. So that's how you can get money off SoFi without a card. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. Till next time.